There's traffic. Oh, I don't want you to get.
Hey, stop touching the deputy. You do it again, you're gonna
Get
go
out of my face!
jail.
Get out of my face!
No, ma'am.
Get out of my
You're not
face!
gonna run this show.
I don't give a.
Season's greetings, everyone. Squink here, former cop, future dog man, here to use my law enforcement experience to break down another video. Let's jump into it. Today's video comes from a new channel, Police Ride-Alongs. 19-year-old turns into a maniac as police search her car. Never seen it, walking in blindly. Here we go.
Today on this ride-along, we've pulled over a vehicle for reckless driving.
Okay, when was the last time you smoked inside that vehicle? Okay. Done a little bit because we can smell it from here.
Okay.
Understand something. In the state of Florida, that gives us probable cause to check that vehicle. Okay? So what I'm going to ask you guys to do, if you guys would stay over here, reason why is because we got semis moving over here, we got vehicles moving over here. This deputy is going to check that vehicle.
All right, so we got the marijuana smell.
Why does that have to be for people?
No, they're not just this is we're not normal patrol deputies. This is part of our highway interdiction unit. I have about 15 deputies up here. Oh, what are we doing? How are you? Nothing's different.
Let's vote people.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
are there 4 people here? There's at least 2 of us.
Because this stop.
Come on.
First off, I'm here because I'm the supervisor over here. These guys are
I've never really understood why people concern themselves with, like, how many cops are there. Who gives a rat's ass? Honestly, they're there to do their job. Who cares if there's 70 of them?
Wow, that's a lot.
What concern is it of yours? Worry about yourself. You're probably gonna get a citation for smoking marijuana if it's illegal in this state. But I've never understood why people concern themselves with how many cops are there. Who cares? Who cares? It doesn't change the situation. It doesn't change the fact that you're in trouble. So just quit worrying about it.
here to make this go fast. This deputy's going to stand here with you while those other deputies finish and make the whole thing go a lot faster, unless you want to stand here on the side of the road a lot longer.
We don't have badge numbers. I'm deputy here.
You don't have a badge number.
No, ma'am.
Why are you being mean to me? Get us going here. Shut up. You don't know.
Listen, you're not going to talk to us like we're doing. You're not going to talk to us.
You're not
You're
gonna
not
call me
gonna talk to us like
that.
that.
You're not
You're
gonna
not
call
gonna
me
talk to
that.
us like that.
Don't look at me.
It's a lot of piercings. You could hitch a tow truck to those.
Smile. Don't look at me. Don't smile. Look at me. We're not doing that. We're not doing that.
Excuse me, can
need
you
to
please
relax.
stop acting a
You
fool?
need to relax. You're about to go to jail.
Why are you telling me? Stop. Okay, my piercing fell out. Okay. My
Which
piercing
one?
fell out. I'm not gonna go around and come out of deputy like that, okay? I don't give a f***ing.
Which
Or if you
piercing?
don't care that much, you're gonna go to jail. Ooh. Don't tell me to move. There's traffic. Oh. I don't want you to get.
Hey, stop touching the deputy.
I'm
You
not.
do it again, you're going to
Get
go
out of my face!
to jail.
I'm getting nervous.
Get out of my face!
No, ma'am.
Get out of my
You're not going
face!
to run this show.
I don't give a.
You just walked yourself into handcuffs. Real quick, guys, if you're gonna get in a police officer's face, they can detain you at any moment for any reason. So if you're gonna be screaming in a deputy's face, expect yourself to walk yourself into handcuffs. I've said it many times. If you're going to act a fool, you're going to be treated as the fool you are acting. Put that on a t-shirt.
I will.
Put your arms. Stop resisting. Put your arms. Stop resisting. Put your arms behind
Yeah,
your
and at the moment you're under
Stop
arrest,
resisting. Put your arms behind your head.
like,
Stop
just
resisting.
stop. You're not gonna beat all of them.
I know.
Michaela, yeah, she just don't have to.
Wait, stand. Face the vehicle. Did I touch
Was
you?
it worth
Face the
it?
vehicle. Did I touch her?
You did touch
Second
me.
time?
Yes, you did touch me.
Second time? Have body cam footage?
Get that thing out of
Yes,
her hands.
we do.
No. No.
Just because you...
No. Stop.
I wonder if she's protesting in LA right
What's in
now.
your hand?
Oh, very likely, very likely.
See, but here's the thing.
Peacefully.
It's in your hand. Michaela, you need to let go of it.
Well, what even is it?
dissects in her hand. She's got a piercing in her hand.
Oh. So it's got a sharp end, so it could be used as a weapon.
Stop! Get your neck! Get your hand! I don't want you touching me! Stop!
Stop resisting.
Got my car.
At least the boyfriend or whoever that is has a head on his shoulders.
You could have avoided all of this.
No, you have a sexist force on me, and you know that. Get your hands
Stop.
off of me. Get it off of me.
Let you go, Michaela? Is that what
I
you
don't
think
give
right
a.
now?
Not gonna push the deputy. No, ma'am.
I didn't push her.
I'm in this car to give you AC and to calm you down.
Stuff. He broke my stuff. Are
No.
you gonna? Yes.
No,
Are
he did
you
not.
guys gonna pay for that?
No, we're not. You had it in your hand and you weren't letting it go.
No.
That's a sharp object that could have hurt us. I'm not going to sit here and debate with you.
It's a bracelet.
We're not yelling. We're not yelling.
Ow.
Yeah, Michaela,
Ow.
just stop.
Get me out.
Okay, I mean, this is really simple. Traffic stop, probable cause search of the vehicle because of the marijuana smell. Michaela, I believe that was her name, starts acting like a fool, starts screaming, hollering. At one point, she backs into the deputy, if I remember correctly. The other male officer tells her to not touch the deputy. That's when she becomes upset, postures herself in a way that the male officer is just not having it. And she was warned multiple times that that would probably happen if she kept up the escalated behavior. She did not listen. She walked herself into handcuffs, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't get more clear than that. Entitlement is basically what all these videos come down to, especially when we got someone acting a fool like that. It's just failure to take accountability is all it ever is. Most of these situations are that. I give the police a B+. I think they did what they needed to do, and that's about it. I'm gonna be cutting back these videos to every other day. It is taking a lot out of me to wake up every single morning at 4:30 to produce the level I've been trying to attain in the last couple videos with the edits. The videos started out being not heavily edited, and now I've sort of worked my way into that. So for that reason, videos will now be every other day. I hope you guys can understand. I appreciate all of you being here. If there's a video you would like me to watch or review or react to, I have a Discord and that link is down below. You can request videos from me down there. In the meantime, I hope you guys are having a great day. I will see you very soon.